friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking salmon fillets on a frying pan. So we just need some fresh salmon fillets, oil for cooking. I'll use olive oil, you can use any kind of vegetable oil, and seasonings of your choice. I'll just use simple salt and black pepper. So let's add a little bit of oil to the frying pan. And I'll turn the heat on high, and then I'm going to add salmon. And I'll season it, the seasoning, so I'll just sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And now let's just heat up the pan till the oil starts sizzling, and then I'll reduce the heat to medium-high after that. So now the oil is sizzling, so I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high. And now cook it like this without flipping for about 4 minutes. So now it's been cooking for 4 minutes. So I'm going to flip it over to the other side. And cook for another 4 minutes. Now you should check it. If you feel it's burning, you can always reduce the heat to medium, so just keep a close eye on it. So now the salmon has been cooking for 4 minutes on each side, so it's 8 minutes total. At this point, you check to see if it's done to your liking. Also, as you can see here on the side, it just looks like, you know, salmon is cooked. You can check it with a thermometer. So salmon for fully done, it should be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's not done to your liking, you can always cook it a little bit more. But for me, this is done. So I'm going to now take it off the frying pan. So let's turn off the heat and take the salmon off the pan. Perfect. It looks amazing, so nicely browned. And it was super easy to cook it on a frying pan. Look at that. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So see, it's fully cooked. Flakes so easily. Delicious, juicy salmon with a crispy crust. So easy to cook on a frying pan. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!